Magandang araw mga ka-financial Juan. Welcome back to another episode kung saan tututukan natin ang mga opportunities para sa ating financial growth. Today, ipapakita ko sa inyo ang isa sa mga pinaka-accessible na online business na pwede niyong simulan, ang online dropshipping. Alam niyo ba na more than 80% ng mga Pilipino ay regularly na nagsa-shopping online? At kung gusto mong maging parte ng growing digital economy na ito, ang dropshipping ang pwedeng maging perfect starting point mo. So, what is dropshipping? Para sa mga first time makarinig about dropshipping, let me explain ito sa pinaka-simple na paraan. Just imagine na may online store ka pero hindi mo kinakailangang hawakan ang mga products. Yes, tama ang dinig nyo. Sa dropshipping, ikaw ang bridge between suppliers at customers. Para kang modern-day middleman pero may technology backing. Ganito ito kasimple. Una, gumawa ka ng online store mo. Pangalawa, mag-list ka ng products mula sa supplier mo. Pangatlo, kapag may order ang customer, automatic forwarding sa supplier. Pang-apat, ang supplier ang bahala sa inventory at shipping. Pang-lima, ikaw ay mag-focus sa marketing at pag-grow ng business mo. Para kang may sariling department store, pero wala kang warehouse. Product Categories Deep Dive. Pag-usapan natin ang mga profitable product categories sa dropshipping. Trending products. K-beauty items na super in demand ngayon. Latest gadget accessories sa market. At viral TikTok products na hinahanap ng mga tao. Imported items. Korean fashion pieces na trending. Japanese household items na practical. At US beauty brands na hindi available locally. Local handicrafts. Hand-woven bags mula sa Bicol. Cebu's native accessories. At Mindanao's tribal products na unique. Specialty foods. Regional delicacies mula sa iba't ibang parte ng Pilipinas. Healthy snack alternatives para sa health-conscious. At premium coffee beans para sa coffee lovers. Beauty products. Skincare essentials na everyday needs. Makeup must-haves para sa beauty enthusiasts. At personal care items na in demand. Electronics. Phone accessories na laging hinahanap. Computer peripherals para sa work from home. At smart home devices na trending. Fashion items. Trendy clothing para sa lahat ng edad. Accessories na pwedeng i-mix and match. At shoes and bags na bestsellers. Starting capital breakdown. Now, pag-usapan natin ang totoong puhunan na kailangan. Contrary sa belief na malaking capital ang needed, you can actually start with just 5,000 pesos. Let me break down ang costs. Una, platform registration, 0 to 1,000 pesos. Basic seller accounts ay usually free. At premium features ay optional upgrades. Pangalawa, product samples, 2,000 pesos. Important to test ang quality ng products. Check shipping times. At take your own product photos. Pangatlo, marketing budget, 1,500 pesos. Initial social media ads. Platform promotion features. At content creation tools. Pang-apat, product photography, 500 pesos. Basic lighting equipment. Photo editing apps. At product presentation materials. Pang-lima, management tools, 0 pesos. Free inventory tracking apps. Basic accounting spreadsheets. At free social media management tools. Monthly potential revenue. Let me share ang possible earnings sa business na ito. Starting phase, 1 to 3 months, 8,000 to 15,000 pesos. Growth phase, 4 to 6 months, 15,000 to 30,000 pesos. Established phase, 7 months onwards, 30,000 to 50,000 pesos. Peak performance, 80,000 to 100,000 pesos monthly. Platform Deep Dive. I-explore natin ang bawat platform kung saan pwede kayong mag-dropship. Shopee. Pinakamalaking e-commerce platform sa Pilipinas. May built-in logistics system. Regular sale events. At free shipping vouchers. Lazada. Strong brand recognition sa market. Global suppliers network. Professional seller tools. At regular promotional campaigns. Facebook Marketplace. Direct customer interaction. No platform fees. Wide reach potential. At easy to start. Instagram shopping. Perfect para sa visual products. Young, engaged audience. Story features for promotion. At direct messaging para sa inquiries. Success strategy. Para sure success ang dropshipping journey nyo, here's my smart approach. S. Select your niche. I-research ang trending products. I-identify ang target market mo. I-study ang competition. At humanap ng unique selling points. M. Master your suppliers. Build strong relationships sa suppliers. Mag-negotiate ng better terms. Ensure quality control. At maintain backup suppliers. A. Automate your process. Gumamit ng order management tools. Mag-set up ng auto-responses. Gumawa ng SOPs. At mag-implement ng tracking systems. R. Reach your market. Develop marketing strategy. Create engaging content. Utilize social media. At build email lists. T. Track your progress. Monitor sales metrics. Analyze customer feedback. Adjust pricing strategy. At optimize operations. Seasonal strategy. Let me share sa inyo ang isang pro tip. Understanding seasonal trends is crucial sa dropshipping success. Major shopping seasons. Una, Christmas season, September-December. 50 to 80% increase sa sales. Focus sa gift items. Bundle promotions. At early bird specials. Pangalawa, online sale events. 11-11, 100% increase. 12-12, 90% increase. 3-3, 60% increase. Prepare inventory alerts. Plan marketing campaigns. At set competitive prices. Pangatlo, special occasions. Valentine's, 40% increase. Back to school, 35% increase. Payday weekends, 30% increase. At Father's Day promotions. Growth and scaling. Habang lumalaki ang business mo, ganito ang dapat mong gawin sa profits. First quarter focus. Product testing, 40%. Marketing experiments, 30%. Tools and automation, 20%. At emergency fund, 10%. Second quarter expansion. Scale winning products, 50%. Brand building, 25%. Customer service, 15%. At team training, 10%. Third quarter optimization. Inventory investment, 40%. Marketing automation, 30%. Team expansion, 20%. At system upgrades, 10%. Inspirational case study. Let me share ang story ni Maria from Cebu. She started just like you, may regular day job siya, pero she wanted something more. Her journey. Nagsimula with 5,000 pesos na capital. First niche, Korean beauty products. Platform of choice, Shopee. Growth strategy. Nagtest ng 20 products monthly. Built relationships with suppliers. Created unique packaging. Focused on customer service. Current success. Monthly revenue, 200,000 pesos. Team of 3 VAs handling operations. Multiple platform presence. Develop own product line. Ang sekret ni Maria. Consistency at reinvestment sa kanyang business. Remember mga ka-financial Juan, ang dropshipping ay hindi get-rich-quick scheme. It requires dedication, smart strategy, at continuous learning. Pero with the right approach and mindset, you can build a successful online business from the comfort of your home. Please note, income shown in this video varies depending on multiple factors including effort, market conditions, and business strategy. Excited na ba kayo mag-start ng dropshipping journey nyo? Sa next episode, we'll explore social media management, perfect para sa creative minds. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe para sa more financial tips and business opportunities. This is your Financial Juan, helping you achieve financial freedom, one episode at a time. See you sa episode 3.